Several villages in Nilip won facilities before the election or no to MLA election. Good morning to all the viewers of Karbi Anglong Live News. You're visually baby, bringing you the latest news for today. Now the news in detail. After a gap of few weeks, the Karbi Anglong police had yet again laid their hands on banned narcotic substances being smuggled. Here is a report. The seizure took place on the evening of Tuesday, November 24. Acting on a tip-off, a special naka was set up by IC Lahorijan PPSI UB Manojal Gogoi along with staff at Lahorijan Petrol Post. At about 7:30 p.m., a 10-wheeler truck bearing registration number AS01CC 8564 was intercepted, and on being thoroughly searched, 34 packets of ganja weighing around 6 quintal was recovered. In this connection, one person, namely 30-year-old Jinkain Gamba Singh, SO Jugendra Singh of Awang Sekmai village under Awang Sekmai police station in Imphal district of Manipur had been apprehended. The drugs were seized in presence of SDPO Bokajan John Das. Police informed that the seized ganja would cost at least rupees 1.2 crore in international market. Anantarang from Bokajan, Karbi Anglong Live. Deprived of all basic needs and infrastructure, 4 villages falling under the Nilip constituency have demanded some manner of developmental works or infrastructure before the state assembly election is held. This was declared by village headmen comprising of Sarihuti, Borlangso, Arlongwoti and Borpung villages. The warning for withdrawal of any support and cooperation was informed by the village headmen of several villages located inside Sarihuti, Borlangso, Arlongwoti, Borpung areas. The warning to shun election was expressed by 4 village headmen during a visit of Karbi Anglong Live team into the area. During the election, the village headmen shared their pains and hardships due to the continued indifference of elected representatives since the formation of the Autonomous Council. The village headmen, during a joint meeting held on Tuesday at Borlangso Nakoitiso LP School, which was chaired by village headman Longki Teron, which was attended by village headmen of 27 villages located in the area under the Nilip constituency. The village headman told Karbi Anglong Live that the backwardness of their area was compounded by the continued neglect by the government and local authority. Further, the village headman told our team that there are no roads, no communication facilities or health facilities, electricity and other basic needs and infrastructure which added to their daily pain and hardships.
মই বৰলাংছ হয় আমি খ ধৰি আমি ইয়াত থাকি আহিছোঁ আমি চাৰুতি বৰলাংছ বৰপুং আমি এনেদৰে দুখত থাকি আহিছোঁ বহু দিনৰ পৰা আমি বছৰে বছৰে আমি ইলেকশ্যন আমি ভোট দি থাকোঁ তথাপিও আমি এনেদৰে আমি কষ্টত ভোগত থাকি আছোঁ ৰাস্তা পদূলি নাই লগতে আমাৰ ইয়াত সাব চেণ্টাৰ দৱাই দাৰু আমি একো সুবিধা নাই গতিকে আমি এনেকৈ দুখত থাকি আছোঁ কিন্তু গভৰ্ণমেণ্টে বছৰে বছৰে আমি ইলেকশ্যনৰ কাৰণে আমি বিচাৰি আহে আমি প্ৰত্যেক বছৰে আমি ইলেকশ্যন দিওঁ যে তেখেতে যে কয় ছাৰবিলাক যে কয় তোমালোকে ৰাস্তা বনাই আমি ৰাস্তা বনাই দিব তোমালোকে ভোট দিয়া আমি বছৰে বছৰে ৰাইজৰ কথা শুনি আমি এইটোৱে মানি চিনি আহিছোঁ তথাপিও আমি এনেকুৱা দুখত থাকি আহিছোঁ এতিয়ালৈকে আমি ৰাস্তা নোহোৱাৰ কাৰণে আমি কেইবাটা যদি বেমাৰ চিমাৰ হয় আমি মিলিং দি ল'বলগীয়া হৈ যায় আৰু এনেকুৱা দুখত আমি থাকি আছোঁ সেইকাৰণে আজি আমাৰ ডিমাণ্ড যে ৰাস্তা যদি বা আমি যিটো বিচাৰিছোঁ এইটো যদি গভৰ্ণমেণ্টে যদি আমি চাই নিদিয়ে তেতিয়াহ'লে আমি ইলেকশ্যন আগে যদি এইটো নহয় তেতিয়া আমি যে ৰাইজে এইটোহে বিচাৰিছোঁ যে ইলেকশ্যন আমি কিছুমান জেগাত আমি নহ'বও পাৰে তেনেকৈ ৰাইজে এইটোৱে ডিমাণ্ড কৰি আছে গতিকে ৰাইজে যে গভৰ্ণমেণ্টে এইখিনি আমাক যিটো ডিমাণ্ড যিটো আমি বিচাৰিছোঁ এইটো আমাক দিয়ে বুলি আমি আশা কৰিছোঁ
The village headmen have threatened to shun and withdraw all of their support in the upcoming MLA election if they do see any facilities before the assembly election. Sanjit Crow from Chokihola and Samson Ingti from Koilamati for Karbi Anglong Live. The 23rd edition of Bodo Martyrs Football Championship began on Wednesday in Langhin Mini Stadium. Here is a report from our correspondent. The opening ceremony of the tournament began at 2 p.m. in the evening and was graced by EM Tarendra Brahma. He extended his good wishes to the organizers and the players in his speech. The EM was accompanied by VDC Chairman Komal Brahma, Langhin Sports Association Secretary Tarun Brahma and several other dignitaries.
Aji 23rd Bodo Martyrs Jundu Cup Ajir Uddodoni Onusthanot Ami Agot ji Ami jak jomokatare korisilu এইবাৰ আমি COVID-19 জি প্ৰকোপ হাহাকাৰ লাগি গৈছে যে পেণ্ডামিক সিচুৱেশ্যন সেইকাৰণে আমি বাহিৰৰ পৰা টিম দূৰৰ পৰা মাতিব নোৱাৰিলোঁ আমি দুখিত কাৰণ আমি চৰকাৰৰ যে নিৰ্দেশ এইটো পালিবই লাগিব আমি দুটা টিম কাষৰ জিলাৰ মাতিছোঁ
एकेरा है 23 बছर धरि चलिबोबाय आरो बे 23 बছर सलायनायनि उनाव आं मोनसे अनुभव खालामदों जोंनि हारिनि थाखाय जेब्ला मानसिफ्रा मावबोदोंमोन देहे बिथांमोनहा.
The first match started at 2:30 p.m. where Raja Pathar SA played with Langhin SA. Both the teams played equally well and their scores stood at 0-0 till the end of the stipulated match time. The match then went to the tiebreaker stage where the Langhin SA team proved to be the superior and defeated Raja Pathar by a margin of 4-3. Sarpang Ring Tigathar from Langhin, Karbi Anglong Live. Well, that is all we have with us for today. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live. Have a good day.